So my role at the library is the European Studies and Digital Scholarship Librarian, so I liaise with different faculty members on campus, as well as graduate students and undergraduate students working in both Western and Eastern European studies. And then I also advise people on digital scholarship projects, both within those departments and then more broadly on campus as well. So the Prague Spring Archive project first started when the head of the Center for Russian and East European Studies, Dr. Mary Neuberger, met with Mary Rader here at the UT Libraries to identify some key documents in the LBJ Presidential Library's primary source archival collections. There were a lot of materials relating to the Cold War, but working with Mary Rader and then later with an archivist at the LBJ, she was able to identify a key collection of documents related specifically to the Prague Spring events. The Prague Spring was a period of liberalization in Czechoslovakia that was really a direct rebellion against Soviet overreach and influence in the region. So it was led really as a grassroots movement to try to create a more autonomous Czechoslovakian government and country, and then was met very harshly by Soviet repression. The Prague Spring project began back in 2014, but I first started working on it in 2016 when I was a graduate student at the UT Libraries. So I first started working on metadata creation and image processing as a graduate student, and then once I was hired full-time at the libraries, I started both doing those image processing and metadata creation workflows, still working on those, but also taking more of a leadership role in creating the actual online interface for the documents and making sure they got uploaded to our institutional repository successfully. The main purpose that the project serves is to make important archival collections at the LBJ Presidential Library available online, so that people who are unable to visit the collections in person in Austin are able to view the primary source documents and use them for research. So a digital scholarship project can really be anything that is within the humanities field or addresses some sort of scholarship or research question, but that utilizes new digital technologies to do so. Either augmenting traditional humanities projects like a paper, or doing something that's entirely new that can only be done in the digital sphere. I would define digital humanities as a broad topic that encompasses both projects that can only be done digitally, that are entirely new forms of scholarship, but also as projects that augment more traditional humanities methods of research. So you could have a digital component to a paper, or you could have a digital dissertation, but you can also have something that's entirely new. I view the libraries as a natural and very crucial partner to the digital humanities moving forward. I think we're a natural space for researchers to come to get expertise on digital humanities, but also as a place where scholarship can grow organically, where librarians can actively participate in digital humanities projects themselves. And I think the libraries really are central and extremely vital to digital humanities within research on campus.